In less than 30 days, one of the most restrictive abortion bans in the country will be allowed to take effect right here in Florida.
Yeah, yesterday's state Supreme Court ruling to uphold Florida's 15-week ban triggered a more restrictive 6-week ban. News 6's Treasurer Roberts joins us in studio tonight. So, Treasurer, it's been almost a year since the governor signed that 6-week bill, so refresh us on what's in it.
Yeah, Matt Ginger, about 1 month from now, access to abortion is going to get tighter. The Heartbeat Protection Act reduces the time frame for abortion from 15 weeks to 6 weeks. For women who don't get an abortion before then, state leaders say they'll help you through that pregnancy. The Florida Supreme Court upheld the state's 15-week abortion ban Monday, which triggered a tougher ban. The Heartbeat Protection Act was signed by Governor Desantis April of last year, banning most abortions after 6 weeks of pregnancy. It also provides exceptions for cases of rape, incest, or human trafficking if the unborn child is younger than 15 weeks. That law now goes into effect May 1st.
In the state of Florida, we stand by our mothers, we stand by our families.
Florida House Representative Jenna Persons joined other Republican legislators on a Zoom conference Monday, reacting to the High Court's rulings.
In Florida, we not only value life, but we have taken proactive steps to support our mothers, to support our families through the entire pregnancy and well after birth.
Under the new law, the Department of Health would provide assistance to parents and pregnant mothers who voluntarily seek support. They're eligible for support up to 12 months after the birth of a child. That includes things like clothing, diapers, and car seats. Also, counseling, education materials, and classes involving pregnancy, parenting, adoption, life skills, and employment readiness will be made available using state funds. The law's text shows state funds will no longer be allowed to go toward helping women travel to another state to receive an abortion unless the woman's life is at risk or the funds are federally required. If a woman wants to travel from Florida for an abortion, the closest state she can go to is either Virginia or Illinois. All of the southern states have either banned or plan to ban abortion entirely or up to 6 weeks.
All right, there are a lot of moving parts here still, Treasurer, but it's important to note that this could all change in just a matter of months.
It could. The Abortion Rights Amendment will be on the ballot this November. So if it gets about 60% of the votes, that means it could cancel this 6-week ban. That means women could get an abortion before viability. I did some research, and according to the National Library of Medicine, that's about 24 weeks.
All right, Treasurer Roberts, thank you.